Hey guys, Ricky Salinas, Freedom Plumbers. Listen, we're on our way today to Stafford, Virginia, where we're going to meet up with our good friends Neheiah Martinez and Josue Velasquez. Currently helping out a very nice homeowner with the repair of her underground sewer line. It has a problem. 8 feet deep, directly in front of the house and right next to that little concrete portico. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to be digging between those concrete steps and a bush, which she wanted to save, and again, 8 feet deep. Typically a hole that big, or a hole with that kind of depth, is pretty big. But Josue says, I got this. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to go ahead and show you how everything goes. Rockstar team, Nemo and Josue. Alright, so here's the fun. We got power, communications, water, communications. It's all in the front yard, but we're digging there. So we're okay. Looks good. Looks good.